Okay, I want to cover, when we talk about pitch, and I want to make sure, try to get as clear as I can when I'm talking about the amount that the bolt will move, the pitch, or it's going to move the distance of the pitch. This is a 7/16 14 bolt that I have here. I've calculated out what the distance between threads, or 1/14 of an inch, and it comes out to 71 and change. That's 0.0714. I'm going to move this out of the head and concentrate on the dial indicator reading. I'm going to move this thread 1 revolution up. So the numbers are going to be going this way. And I probably didn't get exactly 360 degrees, but you can see we went over 70 thousandths. We're in that ballpark range. That's what pitch will do for you. And we're going to run it one more time. I'm going to run it back down to 0. Try to be a little bit more accurate this time. Here, let's get a better position. And again, I got a lot closer this time. I was kind of sloppy the first time. So we're 72. For all intents and purposes, that's 71 thousandths. But again, this gives you an idea that every time you would turn that wrench, you would turn that bolt 1 revolution. That's how much you're advancing. Again, you can use this to your advantage. If you know that you can turn a wrench, you can move a bolt a certain amount. So it's just another way that we use screw threads. It's just a physical or a verification of what I was talking about with pitch. Anyway, that's going to conclude this video on pitch.